The Sony Xperia 10-7 stands out as a beautifully crafted mid-range smartphone, blending practical elegance with high-end features designed for everyday creators and multimedia enthusiasts alike. With a thoughtfully compact form factor and IP65/IP68 water resistance, this device is built to endure your active lifestyle while remaining stylish and modern. Premium design and durability. Constructed with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and a robust plastic frame and back, the Xperia 10-7 promises reliable durability without sacrificing visual appeal. Weighing in at just 168 grams and measuring 8.3 millimeters thin, it's as comfortable in your pocket as it is in your hand. The IP65/IP68 rating means the Xperia 10-7 can withstand dust, low-pressure water jets, and submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, providing peace of mind wherever your routine takes you. Immersive 6.1-inch OLED display. The 6.1-inch OLED display, enriched by Sony's Triluminos technology, produces over 1 billion vibrant colors, HDR contrast, and a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate for lifelike visuals and smooth scrolling. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with Mohs Level 5 hardness, you can confidently use your phone in everyday scenarios without fear of scratching or damage. With a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a slender, cinematic aspect ratio, streaming movies or editing photos becomes truly immersive. Solid performance and memory. Running on the efficient Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, fabricated on a 4nm process, the Xperia 10-7 handles daily multitasking and media consumption with ease. The octa-core CPU and Adreno 710 GPU deliver reliable performance for games, apps, and editing workflows. With 8GB of RAM and 128GB of fast UFS internal storage, expandable via microSD, you'll never run out of room for photos, videos, or creative projects. Advanced dual camera system. Photography is a joy with a dual rear camera setup rooted in Sony's imaging expertise. The 50MP main wide lens, featuring fast PDF autofocus and optical image stabilization, captures crisp, vivid shots even in low light. For breathtaking landscapes, the 13MP ultra-wide lens opens up new creative possibilities. Video creators will delight in 4K recording at 30 frames per second and smooth 1080p slow-motion options, powered by Euro EIS and OIS for stable results. The 8MP selfie camera, equipped with HDR and wide-angle coverage, ensures you look your best in every call and snapshot. Signature Sony audio. Audiophiles and everyday users both benefit from Sony's iconic audio quality. The Xperia 10-7 is equipped with stereo loudspeakers and a 3.5mm headphone jack supporting 24-bit/192 kHz high-res audio, as well as high-res wireless playback for crisp, dynamic sound on the go. Whether you choose wired or wireless headphones, your favorite tracks and streaming content come alive with fantastic detail. Cutting-edge connectivity and features. Stay connected with ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4, as well as comprehensive positioning support via GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS satellites for reliable navigation anywhere. NFC allows quick, convenient payments, and USB Type-C 2.0 supports OTG for seamless accessory integration. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor ensures fast and secure access, while practical features like the accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass add smart versatility. The Circle to Search feature enhances productivity and discovery straight from your home screen. Long-lasting battery life. The Xperia 10-7 delivers exceptional endurance with its 5,000 mAh battery, optimized for all-day usage and quick top-ups via wired power delivery or quick charge protocols. This means less time tethered to a charger and more time capturing inspiration or staying productive wherever the day leads. Conclusion. Running on Android 15 with up to 4 years of major OS upgrades, the Sony Xperia 10-7 offers extraordinary value and reliability for users who demand thoughtful innovation, robust multimedia capability, and enduring style in a single versatile package. Whether you're a creator, an avid media consumer, or simply looking for a dependable daily driver, the Xperia 10-7 stands ready to elevate your smartphone experience.